Good morning. Barry from Benjakitti Park here. It is 6:40, February 13th, 6:40 a.m. Pretty much about sunrise. It's supposed to be 36 degrees today. It's 26 right now. And what else can I tell you today? We got air quality index of 157, which isn't perfect, but it was over 200 yesterday. Probably get higher today. I've already done a little trotting around here, and it's a little easier to. Somebody left a nice chair here for me. Isn't that nice? Yeah. So, like you say, if you could smell what I smell, if you could feel that sort of warm, damp, jungly feel, this is what I fell in love with in Thailand many, many years ago when I first came. It's like a warm hug first thing in the morning, right? It's like, or when the cat snuggles up with you or something. That's how it feels in Thailand in the morning. And then later it starts to feel like when you're getting too warm and you're kicking the covers off. But that's okay. It's still wonderful. I'll try and get a few shots for you today. I don't know what I want to film today for you. I just don't want to bore you to death either, right? I'll try and be my usual goofy self. Attempt to entertain, right? I don't really attempt anything. I don't know how to explain it. Stuff just comes out of my mouth. I don't know. There's something wrong with me, man. Oh, there's those little coffee bags again on these flowers. Yeah, isn't that nice, huh? Well, everything's waking up. Still see a little bit of the moon over there. That's a really interesting tree, that one. That's a really neat tree. Let's stop this for just a second, and maybe I did a couple pull-ups on the way in, and I'm gonna do more exercise, and we're gonna chill, because hanging out in this park is better than doing any drugs that you can ever imagine. It's nature heals all. Old man knowledge. Oh, that feels good. Little downward cat. Oops. Oh. Oh. Little downward cat. She'll be running up the steps. And let's run up the steps. Now put the camera over here. Let's run up the steps a couple of times. And down. Okay, okay. Oh, I'm feeling a little tired today, I must say. Well, I bought a beard trimmer yesterday, and we'll have to see what we're going to do with this beard. Who knows, man? Who knows? Who knows? Beards aren't evil, are they? I don't know. Hey, Yeah, my mic is still telling me I have to do something, but that's okay. Every time I go to do something about it, it's doesn't tell me I have to anymore. I couldn't leave you guys out. Sun's not fully up yet, so sometimes I wonder if we're getting enough light, but why don't we just take a slow stroll, look at a few things, you know, kind of chill out. What a nice day. Good morning to all my friends, North America, Asia, Africa, the rest of the world. The smell, like I say, the smell. If I can find something to take home with me that has this smell when I go home, this is more home than my other home sometimes, but I would like to bring that with me. Smell it. Smell it, is all he says. Oh, there's Mr. Hi again. Just enjoying my little stroll here. Okay, I'm not criticizing people again, but just an opinion, because I was probably one of them at one time, and I was. I see people running around here, and it's like, they got this grimace on their face. What's the point? How is that fun? Just to say that you're getting in shape or whatever, and you can just around the grimace. If I'm not smiling all day long, I'm not doing the right stuff, right? Oh man. Old man knowledge and Mr. Crinkle. Geez, I'm getting water all over myself from this leaky crinkle. Hello, let's go down. I could see some fish down here. I want to see if they'll go for the camera. You guys want to go for the camera? Don't be afraid. Hey, I'm just a friendly camera. I mean you no harm. Come on. Why? Am I being silly? Hi there. I'm having fun. Okay, let's go on this side. Ooh, yep. Oh, hello. What's down in here? Hello? Hey? What's down here? Hello? Oh, hello, Mr. B. Don't bite me, Mr. B. We get the same name, Mr. B. Oh, these red ones are nice. Oh, some big fish down here. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. We'll say hi to the flower on the way down. Then we go, hello, fishies, spiders, lizards, come get me. You under there, fishies? You hear, fishies? Oh, there's Mr. B. Oh, these pink ones. These ones are really new. Look at these one, babies. Oh, they're so, oh, the petals are so cold. That is a strange and soft. It's a strange sensation. What do we got in here? Who's that guy? Hello. Oh, I'll piss you off. Oh. These things, they look spiky as we touch it. Oh, a little bit spiky. Not really. Oh yeah, I guess they all start out that way. That's Mr. B again. You gonna sting me? Yeah. There's some fish out here. We'll take one more look down here. Yeah. I'm gonna bite it a little. Hello? Hello? Let's go right in there. Let's go right in. Let's head right in. Let's come out. was kind of silly, wasn't it? So serene. So serene. This is just proof of what man can do if they want to. There's nothing here of any significance. Not very long ago. And now it's like, could possibly be one of the best parks in the world. I would think so. It is to me. Okay, let's turn this off. You see that big boy in there? There's two of them. Look at up on the bank and in there. Two big monitor lizards. Oh my, guys. Thanks for coming out. I'm so happy you're here. Don't sneak too far away on me. Wow. Oh, you're like alligator size. Ooh-wee. Did you guys see that? Would you go wading in those swamps, trimming? I don't think they mean you any harm, but wow. That's the best view I've had of those guys since I've been coming to this park all week. Wow. Thanks, guys. I still see them over there. They head up. Thank you, monitor lizards. That was wicked. Thanks for that. Yeah, in Thailand you can actually find little guest houses and hotels and stuff in cool settings like this. They're all over the place. People in Thailand really like to take in nature, so and you'll find little places like that all over Thailand for next to nothing, and you can stay in them, enjoy nature, and rejuvenate, invigorate. Well, what's the water depth here? And we're about just about a half meter in this section. Half meter deep. Can you see the gauge? Half meter. Perfect lizard depth, right? Perfect for the lizards. Yeah, those monitor lizards. If I had my camera in there and one of those guys went for it, I'm getting it back. I'm losing everything. Selfie stick in the works. Oh, who's that little bird? What are you doing, bro? Oh, shall we hang out? What about you? Wanna be friends? Wow, you sticking your little tail feather in the air? Is that like yes? It must be. Oh, are you gonna just leave me? Oh, something's moving this one around. What's going on? There's fish and stuff in there. All over. It's just hard to see them. It's hard to see them sometimes, but that's another shelter. Very, very exciting. I know. Nature lovers. Oh, there's that little birdies. There you go, little birdies. How you doing, bro? What you doing? Peeping? Beep, beep. Where are you? Where'd you go? Beep, beep. Where are you? Beep, beep. Where'd you go? Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beepity, beep, beep, beep. Looks like some activity inside that. I don't know what they call those. Lily pad flowers, I suppose. There's a little bit of activity. I don't know how close I can get. Oh, yeah. And they're doing a little bit of having lunch, doing a little bit of pollination. Bro, little pollination. Eh? Can everybody see that? Hope so. I can't. I'm reaching. I could fall in the swamp right now. This one is a little different. This one's a little more open. No bugs in it. They get that weird little pod thing. Then eventually, I guess they end up like this. And then they start like this. Then they go like this, and they end up like this again. Yeah. Man. Good times at the swamp, I'll tell you. Good times. Where's a snake when you need one? A snake would be a nice addition to this. A great big snake. A friendly one. A nice friendly snake. A nice friendly snake. Any snakes in here? Yeah. How about here? Here? What about over here? Any snakes in these? These are these pine thingies. Oh, they're so nice. My camera just loves the way they feel. Stop it, camera. You guys see how big that lily pad is? You can see these ones, yeah, normal kind of size lily pads, yeah, whatever, regular size. We're just regular old lily pads. Look at us. That thing can almost hold the weight of everything I got on there. You got a couple of little ones. Boink. Boink. Look at the size of this beast. This is Grandpappy lily pad. Look at the water. Beads up, man. Come on over here, water. You gonna come see me? Whoa. Whoa. I can see why the birds can walk on these. I can almost put the whole weight of the camera on there. This guy, he's grown really tall. Why is that? Why are you so tall? Look at you. Why are you up like that? Why are you like under there? That is weird. Usually they're on the water. Oh, some of them are taller, I suppose. Let's see if it'll support the weight of the camera. Yeah, I got my hand completely off and I got the long selfie stick. I think I'll support the whole weight of the camera. There you go, for your knowledge. Lily pads are a great spot to put your camera. Stop. If you landed up on the tree there, it's one of those fishing birds the guy was telling me about. I might have seen him on that tree yesterday. He likes that perch. Very interesting bird. They got a long body on them. Can you see that? Hope you can see that. It's hard to tell. These cameras, I gotta buy a $10,000 camera and I'll get some real good shots for you. Or we can just leave that to National Geographic and leave the nonsense to me. How's that sound? Don't fly away. Let me come close, because I love you, man. I love you, man. Let me come close. Let me come closer. Come on. Hey, you're a good birdie. Come on. I'm getting real close. I'm probably 10 feet away, underneath him. You're a good girl. I remember seeing you yesterday. Hello. Don't leave me. There's a couple other... Oh, who are you? Whoa. Man, I'm happy with the birds. I'm getting some bird action here today. You're beautiful, man. You guys. Look at you. Look at you. Let me see you. Wow. Oh. Yeah. That's the way. You stay here for me all day, okay? You know I like animals, don't you? Yeah, we got some little dudes here too, real tiny small ones. I do a little bit of grooming. Wow. Wow. Hey, hello. Hey, hello. Oh, good birdie. Yeah. There's that beautiful neck. Hey, you can look down here. And then you got these little guys down here. Oh, don't go. Oh, don't go. And there's, look at the big, and then there's that guy over there. See his silhouette? That may be different. That isn't an ibis. That's some kind of a pelican. You see that guy? Up on that stick there? Got kind of a pelican face. You pelican, bro? And then we got the sun over here. It's the pelican, bro. They love it in the morning than the sun. They really do, these dudes. So do I. Am I happy? Yes. Oh yeah, he's some kind of cool, that guy. He's very nice. Yeah. That'll do, man. That is one sweet looking dude. Good morning. You think I'd get bored with all this stuff, but I don't. I hope you guys don't. I hope you don't. Thanks for letting me give you a touch here. Wow. Isn't that nice? Feels, it's kind of nice, the sun coming through now. Look who's down there. I see a head. You see him? Right hand side of the path. There's a monitor lizard down there. Third of the day. I'll try and zoom without him going away. Of course, the zoom on this thing isn't very good. Can you see him now? He's right down there. Slowly swimming away, thinking I don't notice him. I notice him. Gosh, I'd love to get down there with the camera. He's probably right under me right now. As long as he doesn't come out. Get me! Let's maybe switch the zoom back to normal. Don't know if he's coming this way. Don't think so. Okay. Well, that was fun. That's where we started today, is the other side of that very first brick building. That direction. That's where my pull-up bar is and the entrance to the park at the end of Soi 4. And then and you got all these buildings with all the stuff inside. Maybe we'll go inside another one I haven't been in today, because there's a few of them. Yeah, that's what. I don't remember these things being out yesterday. Maybe they just, and the seeds just come out. They're all over the place now. Look at that. Little weeds. They're not weeds. We were in here before, but just thought I'd film that sign for you so you can remember what's here. We're back in the middle section of the park today. Isn't that neat? All these roads, and it's all for pedestrians. No cars allowed in here. Isn't that nice? What do you need those cars for anyway? Morning. Oh, wow, did you guys see this tree? I just noticed this tree over here. Look at this. Look at the trunk on that. Doesn't even look, what kind of tree is this? Here, I'll try and show that to you. Hold on here a second. Can you see this trunk? This is a 4-foot selfie stick. Look how big it is. Look at how big it is. Look at this. Look at it. Wow, isn't that cool? Literally, probably, there's got to be 100 staff members at any time in this park, sweeping up or doing something. That's how you keep them nice. Here's another. Look at this. Look at the rootage on this. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Oh, the sprinklers are starting to turn on. I gotta watch myself here. Can you see me? Can you see me at the tree? Can you see me now at the tree? Oh, wow. Get over here. What's this one? What's that? Get up. It feels kind of like a mango, but I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's not, but I don't think. Sprinklage. A little compost bin here. No need to make a plastic bin to compost, is there? Look at that, everybody. A biodegradable composter. Wow. Look, it's solid gold. Solid gold. I don't think so. I don't think that would last. I don't know if I'm breaking all the rules right now, but I feel like just walking straight through to the next road, so let's do that. Big trees and little trees in here. Let's just cruise on through. We'll soon find out if I'm supposed to be in here. I don't think it's too much of a problem. I don't think it's too much of a problem. Let's just get through. Green, BKK 2030. Must have a master plan. Must have a master plan. Oh, look at that tree. Look at how big that tree is. I'm sure hear a lot of crows. 5 years ago, there was a rookery of crows in that park. Let's go over and find that monkey bar. Okay? Okay. Look at that. It's still here. There's 5 years ago I found this thing. It looks like they might actually bring it back to life. It had potted plants on it last time. The old rampage. I could do my tricks in here. I could do tricks. I could do my tricks. Oh yeah. Oh wow, I don't remember any of this. Well, it looks like it used to be a big water feature. Maybe they're just maintaining it. Yeah, it looks like it needs a little work. Still usable for us. There's no water in it. Gosh, look at the size of that plant. Pretty neat. What is this over here? It's a little kiddie playground, I think. Yeah, you can tell it's definitely an older section of the park, isn't it? It needs a little bit of maintenance. We'll go through here. Morning. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. What do we got here? It's kind of a Sawadee, it says. Sawadee and Sawadee. Sawadee? Sawadee. Looks like a kiddie park. And we got somebody that playing some music and exercising. I used to do that. I find it distracts me from the real benefit of it. I don't want to be distracted when I'm exercising. I want to be focused, you know. Look at this. What is this? Must be. Look at this. It's quite nice. Always something new. These trees in here are, again, pretty old, pretty nice. Let's keep moving along. Let's turn it off for a few seconds. Oh, this looks like another water feature under maintenance. I was here before also. This would be a good place to run, I was going to say. I'd probably trip on those. Oh yeah, this is all water feature at one time. It must have drizzled down these slopes on the bricks, but they look like they need a little replacing. And of course, Bangkok, right on the other side of the lake here, old part of the park. Yeah, yes. Yes, yes. Look at this tree. Look at the base. What is it? What is it? It's kind of a crazy palm of some kind. Look at that beast. That beast. Yeah. Pyramid Powell, baby. Egypt. Pyramid Powell. I just reported a road cyclist going over 15 kilometers an hour on the designated loop. Very serious bicycle rider. Very impressed. What are you doing, man? Don't fly away. Stay here. Talk to me. Talk to me, man. Say something. Hello? Hello? What else you got to say? Huh? What do you want? Yeah? Love? Me too. See you later. Let's go. Mr. Crinkle and me are on our way. Look how he's got these signs in the park. Look at that. Drinking, alcoholism, accident, dementia, liver disease, and heart disease. Trying to show people what to do, right? Trying to help, man. Trying to help. People. Well, here's the washroom, man. It's the washroom in between these parks. This third section of the park, the newest section of the park. Washroom. I'm gonna go check it out. Pretty posh, eh? Look at that. You got the bum gun. Okay. This is the washroom inside the park. I like how they got these sinks open to the outside. Isn't that cute? A lot of the Thai washrooms are kind of open like this. And this is the piers, right? But usually a lot of Thai washrooms you can just see right in. Sometimes the girls will come clean them when you're in here, and totally normal. That's what they do. It's Thailand, bro. Look at this big tree. Looks like its bark has come off. It's like turning white. It is a pretty tree. Look at that. It's like almost like a birch bark kind of thing. Of course, Thailand, they probably don't know what birch bark is. Actually, a few of these ones are like that. All the bark just kind of peels off them. Nature boy. Wow, nature boy. I better start working my way back to the old pull-up bar. It's getting hot, and I'm getting tired, so we'll see you when I get a little bit closer. Here, we'll go out in the freeway for a little bit here to make some serious time. We're on the freeway. We've jacked it up from 3 kilometers an hour to 4. We're making time, but we're on the pavement. Yeah, how exciting. Surround yourself with positivity. Take pleasure in the beauty of nature and all its delights. Achieve inner peace within the calming greenery of the garden. Positivity, pleasure, and peace. Good stuff. This little trail, it looks like, are you supposed to walk on this barefoot maybe? These little rocks? That'd probably feel really good on your feet. I can feel it right through the shoes. I'm getting sprayed by swamp water. It's a badminton court. I used to like badminton when I was a kid, man. That looks like, this is nice. That would be fun to come back maybe and do that one. Okay, let's go. Let's follow this little yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. I'm getting my legs all wet. That's no good, man. Yellow brick road. That does feel good on the feet. It feels very nice on the feet. The feet. It's the feet. Don't defeat your feet. Take care of your feet. Stop recording, please. Look what I found. Look what I found. Not the one we wanted, but this one will do. Let's go pull up. Oh, that's nice. Getting taller. Oh. Let's try this thing. Well, I'll call that a success, considering how weak and tired I am right now. Old man excuses. Yeah, see, I don't understand. Maybe they're giving the white people some slack, but you're not supposed to have your shirts off in here, right? Which is really weird. Yeah, you're not allowed to have your shirts off, guys. You gotta put them on. Park ranger's eyeballing you. You can't do that, man. You gotta put the shirts on. That's true, man. Okay, our park explore and a little bit of a workout is on all that stuff is over. February 13th, 2025. Maybe we'll get a few more clips later today. I don't know, but for now, bid you adieu. Very pick.
Yeah, maybe we can put 2 baht inside. Now we'll see.
Right on. Look at that. See, couple baht. You either pay 10 for this or you pay 1 baht for that. How's that work, folks? That's a good deal. Yes, yes. So, is this working? Yeah, I think it's working. Yeah, I'm real close to doing this. I just want to make sure I got the info. This is the bike here, the 160. I got the 160 or the 350, and your Forzas are gone right now, eh? Your Forzas are gone? These are the ADVs. The Forzas are rented? Yeah. Okay. All right, that's good. Done for now. This will be the last transmission for the day. I'm going to decide if I'm going to get a motorcycle and ride all the way to Chiang Mai or maybe go south to Ko Chang. That's all I can tell you. Might do it. I'm getting close.